Hey everyone! Welcome back to AWESMR Kids! Today I'm super excited to be hanging out with the Incredibles family. They're at Doc McStuffins' toy hospital. Let's see what they're up to. Alright family, are you ready for your checkups?
Why do we have to go to the doctor? I feel fine. Better than ever. Check out these guns!
That's my boy!
Come on, Dash, we all have to get a checkup just to make sure. The city needs us, we can't afford to get sick.
Let's just get this over with.
Fine. Hello there, you're just in time for your appointment. Come on in. Welcome to the toy hospital. I know you're all here for your checkups. Who wants to go first? I'll do it. I'm not scared. That's good, because there's nothing to be afraid of. I'll take Dash into the exam room and you guys can wait out here. Right this way, Dash.
Oh, look at baby Jack playing in the ball pit. He's so adorable. Violet and Elastigirl are hanging out with Steffi. Let's go help Doc with the checkup.
Okay, Dash, let's first take your temperature. Your temperature is normal. That's a great first sign that you're healthy. I told them there was nothing wrong with me, as healthy as can be. Looks like it, but just to make sure, I'll have a look at you. Let's begin the checkup. Heart rate is normal, healthy lungs, reflexes are strong. Everything points to the fact that you're a healthy and strong boy. Great! Can I go now? Not just yet. My records show that you're overdue for a vaccination. We'll have to give you a shot today. A shot? Wait a minute. This is a checkup. All you gotta do is look. No shots. Don't worry, Dash, you'll barely feel it. And after, you get a lollipop. Whoa! That's the biggest lollipop ever! So what do you say, Dash? A tiny little shot for a giant lollipop? Deal! Ouch! There, all done. Can I have my lollipop now?
Yep, and I'll even help you open it, Dash. Dash got a Cake Pop Cuties. I can't wait to see who's inside. Ooh, look at that blue frosting. Here's the collector's guide. This is from Series 1. We get a squishy animal and they get a sweet treat. This is Choco Chip Chubby. Chubby got a strawberry donut as a sweet treat. It looks delicious. Cubby is purple with green eyes and cookies for ears. Let's head back to the hospital to do some more checkups. Up next is Violet.
Okay, Violet, let's begin the checkup. First, we need to take your temperature. That looks great. And now I'll check everything else. That looks normal. That looks great. Can you say "ah" for me? Ah! Great! You passed with flying colors. You can go back to the waiting room now while I give the rest of your family a checkup.
Oh, Violet, you forgot your lollipop.
Wow! Can you help me open it?
I sure can. Violet got another Cake Pop Cuties. This one's blue. Ooh, and the top is purple this time. It's Cocoa Pup. This pup is blue with Cocoa Puff spots. It also has purple eyes. Check out that purple cupcake that it comes with too. Let's continue the checkups. Up next is Elastigirl.
Hello there. Before we begin, is there any issues you've been having lately?
As a matter of fact, yes. My muscles have been feeling tense. They call me Elastigirl, but I haven't been feeling very limber. Can you help me out?
I sure can. I'll give you a full checkup to see what's wrong. Thermometer, please.
I'm on it, Doc.
All good there. Time for the full checkup. Oh, I see. You are quite tense. Very tense, actually. But don't worry, I know what to do. It's going to require a muscle relaxing shot, but you'll feel better immediately.
Sounds good, let's do it. Wow, I do feel better. Thank you.
Not a problem. You did great. Enjoy your lollipop.
Oh my! Can I get help with this? Yeah, I'm on it. This is a Pick Me Pop surprise. Inside is a scented beanbag-like animal. Let's check it out. pink lollipop inside. Let's see what this note says. It says you're a ton of fun. Here's the collector's guide. It tells you all the animal names as well as what their scent is. This is a stand for the lollipop. Let's see who's in here. It's Snaffle the elephant! How cute! There's a string so you can attach it like a keychain. Let's do the smell test. It's raspberry! This one smells quite delicious. We have some more checkups to help with. Let's go! Up next is Mr. Incredible and Baby Jack Jack.
All right, let's start with taking both of your temperatures. Baby Jack Jack, you're first. That's all normal. Now your turn, Mr. Incredible. Yours is the same. That's a great start. Now we can begin the rest of the checkup. You're both healthy and strong. I'm gonna give Baby Jack Jack some vitamins to help him grow. Drink up. You're all done. Thanks for being such great patients.
I'll help you open these. Let's start with Baby Jack Jack. He got a Cake Pop Cuties just like his siblings. His is a green color. Ooh, and it has purple frosting. This is Confetti Yeti. How adorable! The Yeti is white with pink frosting and hot pink sprinkles. This sweet treat accessory is a pastry. Let's open the last toy. This is another Pick Me Pop surprise. This note says, "Have a great day." Ooh, I can smell the grape already. This is Drea the raccoon. It smells like grape mixed with bubblegum. I'm so glad to hear that everyone's healthy. They're in tip-top shape to save the city. Well, this was a lot of fun, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and please subscribe to watch more. Thanks!